Hi Amina. The question you asked me, if you want to Google it, I think it's called long division with a divisor larger than dividend with no remainder. Sorry about my handwriting. I figured it out, it took me a while, so don't worry if it took you a while as well. So let's write it normally. What was it? 3 divided by 200 equals. So to write it down in the weird symbol, this is the divisor, this is the dividend, yep. Put the dividend within the square, I guess, or rectangle, or line with the curl. Put the divisor on the outside. We're gonna add some decimal places, because we're gonna need those. You can add them as you go anyway. So if you first start off with, should have left a bit more space. The first digit was 200, how many times does 200 go into 3? 0 times. So you put this number at the top. You think of it with remainders as well. So it doesn't even fit once, so there is no remainder. Then what you do, you multiply the top number by the divisor. So 0 times 200 is 0, and you subtract it from the divisor. So 0. Then actually do a line minus. It's 3 minus 0. That's not supposed to be that. It's supposed to be here. Then a minus. If it looks horrible, I might read this. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then you drop down a 0. And you always drop down after you do a negation. So now it's 30. How many times does 200 go into 30? Once again, it doesn't fit at all. So you have to carry the decimal place over at the top, not at the bottom. So you add a 0 again to your answer. Then you multiply again. So 0 times 200 is 0. Do minus. What's 30 minus 0? Just 30 again. Then you carry down another 0. You're at 300. Now you look at it as, how many times does 200 go into 300? It goes into 300 at least once. Because 1 times 200 is 200, and 2 times 200 is 400, you exceed 300. Now you do 1 times 200, which is 200. Negate it again. The answer is 100. And then you drop down another 0. Oh, you have 1000. So how many times does 200 go into 1000? You can, if the kids can do that in their head, I think that's good. If they can't, I think you can just go back to basics. So you could do it on the side. You could do, what's the divisor? 200. So you could do 200, 1000. Or if you have a over here. If you have a simpler way to do this, at this point you probably have built up a foundation to be able to do this in a different method. So you can do it to the side, figure out the answer equals 5, or they might have this memorized, and you might be expecting them to already know the answer by heart. So that goes into 200 goes into 1005 times. So the answer will be right at the top. Hope my camera's in the right place. Now you have to do 5 times 200, which is, if you already know here, we've already done it in reverse, so we know the answer is 1000. Then we negate 1000 from 1000. Answer is 0. When you have a 0, you know you have no remainders or anything left to do. You have reached your answer over here. And to write down the answer, 3 divided by 200 equals 0.015. Ta-da!